Bلقیس-Amar, LL.B. Brief Introduction. Full name: Bilqis Humayun Khan. Father: Muhammad Humayun Khan, LL.B. from Aligarh University, retired Judge and Registrar, Peshawar High Court. Bلقیس-Amar did LL.B. from Khyber Law College, Peshawar University. During LL.B. got scholarship from Khyber Law College, Peshawar University. Served as Principal, Bloom Hall Girls College, Abbottabad. Vice Principal, Coles Law College, Abbottabad. Head of Department, Modernage Girls College, Abbottabad. Lecturer, Peace Girls Campus, Abbottabad. Creative writer, Urdu Poetry. 3 books of Urdu poetry written by Bلقیس-Amar. Diwan-e-Amar, Urdu poetry by Bلقیس-Amar. Justuju, Urdu poetry by Bلقیس-Amar. Rahman Baba poetry in Urdu by Bلقیس-Amar. YouTube channel Amar Voice Bلقیس-Amar Urdu Poetry. Thanks for watching.